Africa Today. Another day, another story. The GPT-3 chatbot is a revolutionary technology that is changing the way we interact with computers. It can simulate human-like conversation and provide useful information about a wide range of topics, including education, customer service, and entertainment. In Africa, GPT-3 could be used to improve access to information and education by providing personalized tutoring and support to students, or help people learn new skills and knowledge, or provide accurate and timely information about healthcare services. Overall, GPT-3 represents a major step forward in the development of artificial intelligence and has great potential to greatly improve lives around the world. Here are a few examples of how to use Chat GPT in your daily life. How Chat GPT can enhance your dating experience in Africa. Are you tired of the same old dating apps and websites in Africa? Do you want to try something new and exciting? Introducing Chat GPT, the revolutionary new way to meet and connect with potential partners in Africa. Chat GPT makes it easy to have fun and learn more about other singles with the power of artificial intelligence. Simply start a conversation and Chat GPT will ask questions, make suggestions, and even tell jokes to keep the conversation going. Chat GPT is always learning from its interactions, so it gets better and better at understanding what you like and what you're looking for in a partner, so your conversations will never be boring. How Chat GPT can help with diet, weight loss, and keeping fit. Are you struggling to stick to your diet and fitness goals? Chat GPT is the intelligent assistant that can help you reach your health and fitness goals. Chat GPT is here to help you reach your fitness goals. Just start a chat and let Chat GPT know what you're looking to achieve. It will ask questions and provide recommendations, as well as share healthy recipes and workout tips that will help keep you on track. Since Chat GPT is constantly learning from its interactions, you can be sure that the advice and guidance it provides is always relevant, tailored, and effective. But that's not all. Chat GPT also has built-in tools and features like calorie counters, exercise logs, and more to help you track your progress. It's easy to use, available on any device, and it'll keep you motivated. So what are you waiting for? Give Chat GPT a try today and see how it can improve your dating, health and fitness experience. You'll be amazed at what it can do for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts about it. Together, let's explore Chat GPT and see what it has to offer. Got to chat.openai.com now and start your next great adventure. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Africa Today.